Small bedroom ideas, maximising spaces and tips. Stuck in a small bedroom? Don't sweat it. We've got some clever tricks to turn your little corner into a spacious, stylish retreat. First up, multifunctional furniture. This bed? It's not just for sleeping, it's a storage unit too. Beds with built-in drawers or hidden compartments give you more room without taking up more space. Then, meet your new best friend, foldable furniture. Whether it's a wall-mounted desk or a Murphy bed that transforms into a sofa, pieces that to tuck away are perfect for small spaces. Next, go vertical. Tall shelves and high wall hooks save precious floor space. Plus, they make use of those often overlooked high-up spots. Mirrors are magic. Place one across from a window and voila, instant light and space. And don't forget the lighting. Layered lighting, a mix of wall sconces, string lights and table lamps, can make your room feel larger and more inviting. Finally, declutter. Keep surfaces clear, choose a few key decor pieces, and remember, less is more. So, with these tips, that tiny room, it's now a stylish, cozy haven. Sweet dreams.